Hey Google, play songs by Tyga. Derek, I told you, today's beach day.
No, it's ball day.
No, today is beach day.
You did not tell me that.
Dude, we're gonna be late.
You said ball day.
Today is beach day. Can you go change? Look, I don't care. No, you're not Steph Curry.
Yes, I am.
Alright, let's go. Oh, okay. Alright, I guess we're ready.
Yeah.
What's up, Splash Squad? Splash Bros.
Splashettes.
What's going on? So today we're back with another video. As you can tell, we're getting ready to go to the beach. After we go to the beach, I think we might be doing something. We might go to Disney Springs or Fun Spot. Hopefully it's Fun Spot.
Yeah. I'm gonna die in a go-kart.
Yeah. And we're not riding anything like.
Yeah, we are. I'm getting them on the slingshot, guys. Some way, somehow.
No.
I'll get someone to record it.
Right now, we got about a couple hours till we get to the beach. We're gonna get some breakfast. We just picked up a couple of things. Do you have anything?
I got a football content on the way. Yes, sir.
You got a football.
I got a football. Big hands snagging it.
All right, that's where we're gonna end it. Bye. Alright, we're here at the beach. We just made it. It's finally set up. It's a beautiful day. Look at the waves. It's probably really hard to hear us. It's probably like really windy. We're just gonna enjoy the beach. We're gonna play some football, and I hope you enjoy.
All right, yo. It's about to get serious.
Film me! Wait, no, go that way.
This man is retarded. You don't.
My shorts!
Bro, he got messed up so bad.
Oh, it's my bag!
Oh. I have to save this camera because it's not waterproof. Because we can't afford that without y'all support. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got messed up. Oh,
Guys, he was just asking to record us, and then he just fell. So glad I didn't give him my camera.
I was about to ask him to record us boogie board, bro.
Yeah,
Oh my god. Bro, this is deep.
Bro, my back hurts. That hurt. Literally not even 30 seconds of filming.
Yeah, we got messed up pretty quick.
Ah, it's a shark jaw. It's a jaw of a shark.
Hey, he's not the brightest out of the bunch, but you know, we'll do him there.
Where's the dramatic hair flip?
Alright, y'all. We're doing this for the second time because Hunter wants to play music. Probably didn't hear us the first time.
No,
That's what really happened.
He forgot to press record.
Yeah, we'll put the bloopers in later.
I can't even. Never mind.
What?
Nothing.
Can't what?
I can't.
Oh. Why? Because we're recording it.
Nope.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, we just finished over at the beach. It was nice. We still got about an hour and a half drive. I'm already tired. You guys know how it is when you get back from the beach. You just want to sleep. But we don't sleep around here because we're going right back out after this. I'm gonna take a shower. My hair is all types of messed up right now.
My hair feels like squid.
Squid?
Squid.
Yeah! Alright guys, but we will get back to you. Hopefully we're gonna go to Fun Spot. I think that's the plan. Fun Spot's the plan.
Yeah. Peace.
We're here at Animal Kingdom. Instead, I know that we said we were going to Fun Spot, but we didn't.
We got to somewhere better.
We just weren't able to go.
He wasn't gonna go on the slingshot, so there was no point. So.
Exactly, yeah. He said if I wasn't going on the slingshot, he said that I have to pick somewhere else to go. But I'm not going on Mount Everest. And he didn't know that. So he said, oh, we're not going on the slingshot at Fun Spot, so never mind. But I told him that I would go on Mount Everest, but I lied to him.
He didn't lie to me, he lied to you guys. I'm sorry that he doesn't want to do this, but
All right, Derek, what route are we going on first?
Dino, Wilderness Explorers. We're gonna see that dude.
It's that guy. You scared? You're not scared?
No.
You should be.
I'm only scared of clowns.
Get ready.
Okay, Cam, let's go get that dino. Warning, meteor shower in range. Just little ones.
He's eating it!
All your mission accomplished. You made it!
Oh my
I knew you would.
So, guys,
What'd you think of it?
my kneecaps hurt.
Kneecaps.
Kneecaps.
My face was tingling. Like it was like really intense. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it in the video. I might not even put it in. It was just really dark.
Yeah, we went through a time machine.
Yeah, we did. I might include our screams though. Did you like it?
I did like it. It was worth the hour. It was worth the hour.
It wasn't even an hour. It was like 45 minutes, but he's complaining.
That's an hour.
45.
If you round it, it's an hour.
All right, Splash Guard. We don't want to hear him complain. We out. Look at his new whip. There we gotta get away from the cops. We gotta get away. We gotta get away from the cops. We gotta get away. Oh! There's no seat belts. There's no seat belts.
There's no door. Where's steering wheel? Where's ignition? Where's engine? Are there tires?
Are we getting away from the cops?
We have half a tire.
Bail! We've just made an ancient discovery. I think that we may have found where the dinosaurs are. I'm going in. Oh my God! Derek, there's no dinosaurs.
Did you make it alive?
No.
It says caution. I don't think the slide is fully made.
There's dinosaurs.
It says caution.
Bro, there's dinosaurs.
You gotta click the like button.
Click what?
The like button.
The what?
The like button.
All right, come down. Oh! Bro, there's dinosaurs. Look at. I found it. I found a dinosaur. You just hurdled the dinosaur. Go. Oh, is there more dinosaurs down these?
There's 3.
Which one do you want to go down?
Long way, buddy.
All right, I'll go down this one. You go down that one.
No, I want to go down this one.
Then I'll go down this one. All right, I'll meet you at the bottom. Oh, it's too dark. I can't see. Wait. Oh God. I'm stuck. This was a bad idea, guys. Oh God. Oh, now I'm going. Oh. Bro, we're getting kicked out.
Yo, I just witnessed birth.
They're kicking us out.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's closing.
Oh, sweet.
Guys, you guys have to hit the like button because we actually just found dinosaurs. Bye, thank you.
She was waving.
She was saying bye. Make sure she gets a like too. Yeah. We discovered dinosaurs. Hit the like button. All right, guys. So we actually got to Animal Kingdom a little late. Yeah, a lot of late. But if you guys like the video, go ahead and leave a like.
Comment and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe. We want to get how many likes do we want to get this to?
50.
50 likes. We're gonna go with 50 likes again. I know you guys can do it. We were close last time. Don't forget to go back to the last video. Leave a like. If we get 50 likes on the last video, we're still going to St. Augustine. We'd like to do that.
He would like to do that. I'm good.
Why don't you want to go?
I'm cool with the 50 likes, but
Why don't you want to go?
see that? Darkness.
Darkness.
I know you heard that thunder too. Keep it real, everyone. That's it.
Peace out, Splash Squad.
See ya.